Akawadhi wechego eko matimore aluora mag counties wa makaluo e county ma Migori. Jotend wards kata MCAs e od buch county ma Migori oyiero deputy speaker manyien e twak mabende iene pek ahinya. Mathews Chacha ema okao kar Geoerge Omamba mayiero mare nochung kod doho mar jotich e boma ma Kisumu. E kinde twagno ero mabende iene tek ahinya, MCAs moko kotelnegi kod deputy speaker machon okwedo okang' makamano kagiwacho ni okolu chik madwarore. Yuaruok makamano manenore e County Assembly ma Migori omiyo deputy speaker ochamo muma kitae kod Migori Chief Magistrate Magistrate Dickson Odhiambo. Yuaruok osebedo kanenore e County Assembly ma Migori nyaka ne duond buch ODM sund MCAs mondo opedh twak mar thicho oko e apisi Governor Okoth Obado. Koloso kod ute fuambo tok twak makamano, speaker ma Migori manoeri Boaz Okoth oseo jogo mabende e kwedo yiero makamano.
Having been elected as the Deputy Speaker of the County Assembly of Migori, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Speaker of the County Assembly in Migori County, that I shall respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I shall do right to all manner of persons in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya and the laws and conventions of Parliament without fear or favor, affection or ill health. So help me God. Us today for having resolved as a House to elect a substantive Deputy Speaker for the position because of the so many court cases that have ensured that we don't move forward, that have brought hatred and misunderstanding, and even the chaos that was witnessed here some few weeks ago. So I hope that this exercise that took place with the 41 members participating out of 57 who are actually a majority and conferring a landslide win to myself as my candidature, I hope that will bring to the end the unending squabbles, the misunderstandings, the hatred that have been here. And I hope that this will be a strong statement in very unequivocal ways to the whole nation and even to the party that we will be peaceful people, that the Honorable House will behave honorably, and that we shall be a house of rules and procedures going forward.
Baba is for us all, yes. For our Migori, yes. And he cannot use somebody like what we are talking about to bring anything to Migori County. He knows. He knows. And this is what we have ended today. Chacha Mathews is an ODM member who has been elected Deputy Speaker today. Yes. He's not from another party because we dominate. But someone posing like, I am ODM. This is what Baba has decided. Who is he to tell us what Baba has decided? And we have leadership in Migori. We are there for him. We like him. We welcome him. We will go by what he wants. But the messenger who comes with a message from elsewhere, which is not from Baba, we are tired, and this is what we have done.
Gilipot mawuoke county ma Migori noero, Jaira Lolwe TV, wabiro kao yoyo matin, kaita biro kelo ni wechego eko mag ohala, kaito Jesse Omondi biro kelo ni wechego eko mag tuke.